Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush green landscapes, there stood an old home. It had weathered many seasons and witnessed the passage of time, yet it remained a symbol of love and warmth. Within its weathered walls resided an even older mother, whose heart was as resilient as the house she called home. The old mother, named Mrs. Harper, had lived in the house her entire life. She had seen her children grow up and start their own families, yet she chose to remain in the place that held countless memories and a wealth of history. This was the place where laughter had echoed through the halls, and where tears had been shed for both joy and sorrow. As the years passed, Mrs. Harper's children became busy with their own lives, rarely finding time to visit their dear old mother. But she was content in her solitude, finding solace in the familiar creaks of the wooden floors and the gentle whispers of the wind through the old lattice windows. One winter's day, as the snow blanketed the village in a soft white embrace, Mrs. Harper felt an unfamiliar heaviness in her chest. It was as though her heart, too, had been buried under the weight of time. She was visited by a sudden longing for her children, a yearning to feel their warm embrace and hear their voices once more. But the distance between Mrs. Harper's home and her children's did not allow for regular visits, so she decided to write letters to each of them, pouring her heart onto the pages. She shared stories of their childhood, her hopes for their futures, and the love she held for each one of them. Mrs. Harper poured her soul into those letters, as if the ink on the paper could bridge the gap that had slowly grown between them. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, but there was no reply from her children. Mrs. Harper's heart sank with each passing day. She couldn't understand why her letters remained unanswered and her children seemed so distant. One evening, as the sun painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, a knock echoed through the old house. Mrs. Harper, surprised by the interruption, slowly made her way to the door. And there, standing before her, were her children, holding the letters she had written. Tears filled Mrs. Harper's eyes as she heard the words they spoke. Each one had been so overwhelmed by their own busy lives that they had not found time to read their mother's letters until now. As they read her heartfelt words, they realized the depth of her loneliness, and the pain they had unknowingly caused by not staying connected with their old mother. In that moment, the old house was no longer just a home, it became a sanctuary for love and forgiveness. Mrs. Harper's children vowed to make up for lost time, promising to visit more often and cherish the remaining moments they had with their mother. In the following years, the old house regained its liveliness. Laughter once again echoed through the halls, and the nostalgic scent of home-cooked meals wafted through the air. Mrs. Harper's heart, once burdened with loneliness, now swelled with love and joy. And so, the old house that had witnessed the passage of time now witnessed a reconnection between a mother and her children. It became a testament to the power of forgiveness, love, and the importance of cherishing. If you like stories, subscribe this channel for more.